For the last 30 years, TapRoot's been changing the way that people do root cause analysis and solve problems in their organization. Every year, we get our thousands of TapRoot users together to, talk about how they're using our techniques, how they're using TapRoot to improve their processes, to improve their systems, and keep their people safe. But my favorite story from the summit comes back from one of the first summits we taught. Our founder was giving a talk on stage, and when he got off, a guy came up to him, and the guy said, just let me shake your hand. I wanted to thank you. And the guy said, well, our little refinery that we've got, we don't have fatalities anymore. Since we've been using TapRoot, we haven't had anybody die, and we've fixed a lot of problems, and it's really changed our organization, and we've saved probably, by our estimations, about 3 people's lives. Well, that's good. We're really happy about that for our facility, but I really wanted to thank you on behalf of everybody here at the summit. And Mark said, sure, what for exactly? And he's like, well, when I look around the room, there's hundreds of people here, and they represent hundreds of companies and hundreds of refineries and other manufacturing facilities just like ours. And that's got to be thousands of people whose lives have been saved. That was one of those moments that changes the way you think about what you do as a job and what your job really is. Because, to a lot of us, you think, oh, we're TapRoot. We train people. We teach them how to do incident investigations, or we offer software that helps them break down problems and understand how to find the real root causes. But, realistically, what my job is as an instructor and an advisor, my job is to set systems up so that as many users as possible can find and understand real root causes and fix problems. And when you think about the thousands of TapRoot users out there that are applying our techniques, that are applying what we've taught to stop mistakes from happening, to build stronger, more resilient systems, to find and fix problems that if we didn't fix this today, a fatality would have happened in a month, in a year, who knows? And really utilizing the technique to its fullest to really bring about real change in their organizations. That really makes the biggest impact on me and what we do as an organization, is figuring out how do we apply TapRoot and get the most of it. And for those who don't know what TapRoot is, it's a system for root cause analysis. It's a guided system that helps investigators find root cause and fix real problems. If you want to learn more about TapRoot, you can check out our website at taproot.com, or you can email us at info@taproot, and you can find out how TapRoot can change the way you guys do root cause analysis and change the way your organization approaches problem solving.